Welcome to 𝐄𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐑𝐄𝐔. We talk about investing, finance, and professional. As the current time of 9:19 a.m. on the Eastern Time on the 3rd day of August, Ethereum closed at $1,663, up about 2% so far. Respect over crypto market and the equity market on this Wednesday morning so far. Across the board, we are rebounding from the, more of a negativity around the Pelosi affectation yesterday, as obviously she was traveling to Taiwan, which, cultivates some tension between, China and U.S., knowing the fact that, we're kind of in this like pseudo Cold War at the moment. But with respect to current dynamics across the spectrum, I will say that the futures across the board are up about 0.6% so far. Basically the market trying to rebound from back-to-back losing sessions that we've been having since Monday. In addition to that, I'm seeing some supplementary news around, seems like mortgage applications is starting to peak up again. For the first time in 5 weeks, obviously with respect to the higher interest rates that we have been experiencing from the rate hike from the post FOMC meeting on the 75 basis point in the two meetings ago to the last one that was 75 basis point again. It seems like people are slowly digesting this increase of rates. And with that natural course of cadence, as the rates slowly dip down, and I'm seeing these, the triangulations onto the 10-year yields, which give us some correlations, that it seems like it's also slowly mitigating. It's trading around 2.7% at the moment. And on top of the fact that with respect to I'm hearing some additional news from the Feds earlier today, is coming from the representative Mr. Bullard, obviously from the Feds. In a recent article and a recent interview that he depicted on a media front, he sees more interest rate hikes ahead of time, possibly another 75 basis point to 50 basis point, but he does not see U.S. recession to be, happening. So I'm kind of confused. It seems like we have been in the recessionary environment already, so it's quite confusing with respect to what the media front or Wall Street try to tell us. But we've been looking into the market dynamics. We've been selling off for quite significantly, and for Ethereum to be selling down to 75% off and across all the tech stocks as well, to say that we're still on the verge of recession is just I'm not sure how that make any sense. I think we are already in one, and we're slowly recovering, as we are obviously, looking into more of a tactical proactiveness from the Feds going forward. Other news that I'm seeing is it's just more earnings related news. Nothing really specific. It's just a lot of news around tech earnings and some other earnings that came out, but nothing really, seismically or needle drivers, if you may. And I think the main catalyst that we need to look out for is really one Wednesday from now. So next Wednesday, we're going to be seeing the CPI report coming out, depicting the month of July, obviously, from last month. So we'll see how that goes, right? So let's just dive into the technical to see what's going on with respect to recording time of 9:23 a.m. on the Eastern Time, with the 1660 right now, down up about 1.8% so far. With respect to the current setup right now, you can see that we've crossed up for quite some time. We're about to form a death cross on the daily right now, so seeing some short-term volatility breaking down to 1550, 1450, even to even lower level, contingent on how negative with respect to the CPI report will look like. You can see that we're still struggling to stay either above or beyond 65 out of 70. So right now it's just being held by previous resistance level of 55. So as we break 55, we're going to be heading down to a low level. But this is just the market consolidating, try to rebound from, recovering from back-to-back days of selling pressure. And on a weekly, you can see that we're about to cross up, right? And also monthly, is obviously plateauing as well. So again, right, daily looks bearish because of the cross section downward, but weeks and months out looks quite bullish from here. And then for Bitcoin, similar affectation, right? You could see that we are about to cross down, and at the same time, we're getting blocked at this current level at 60 out of 70. So again, right, daily looks bearish, right? But weeks and months out, we are about to form a golden cross, right? So looks good on a monthly as well. On a daily, I think see some like normalization coming down to like just touching 21,500 or 20,000 all over again makes a lot of sense for us. Okay. And across the spectrum for all the other coins, I would say, Ethereum Classic is trading on this, a little bit different momentum, right? We are quite high in the sky right now at 70 out of 70, about to cross down on a daily. Weekly, you have formed a golden cross quite some time ago. Obviously getting blocked at 60 out of 70 as well. So I think Classic is going to be coming down momentarily. On the other side of the spectrum, all the other altcoin, I would say, quite comparable in terms of how Bitcoin and Ethereum are trading, right? On a daily, it looks bearish, right? On a weekly and a monthly, looks, promising, as they have been kind of showing signs of plateau and looking for a launching plat to go up on the, again, weeks and months out from here, right? So it's a quick one. Let me know if you have any questions on this Wednesday morning so far. It seems like another just chill day, unless we see some more additional activity that we need to look out for. But seems like so far it was is pretty copacetic, based on all the macro catalysts that were identified so far. So appreciate you. Have a good day and take care.